Hello guys, welcome back again to my beautiful channel. You're welcome. I brought a topic today. Yes, I want to talk about it's a controversial topic, but some people might like it. It may be useful to some people. I don't know whether it will be useful to everyone. You understand? So this topic, yes, although I've been preaching on you have to niche down. You understand? So, but I noticed that there's so many people on the internet that doesn't want to niche down. You understand? So I say, okay, let me bring about this kind of topic, different topic that you are used to. Okay, let me box on one place. You know, some people feel that if you have a niche, they are caging you. You understand? But if you don't have a niche, that you are free to explore. But it's not true. Let me, please, disclaimer, I keep on saying, to niche down is very good. But, you know, I'm a content creator. You understand? So I have to give you so many contents. The power is in your hand for you to choose the one that you want. You understand? I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. So that is why I came up with this content, with this video now that I'm about to teach you. Yes, how to make a no niche YouTube video. You understand? That actually works on your channel. If you feel like you don't want a niche, or you don't want to niche down, or you don't want to pick a particular thing to be doing on your channel, or it's hard for you to stick on one thing, here's another thing that you might want to try out on your channel. Okay, all right, want to grow on a YouTube channel but don't know your niche? Good news is you don't need one. Okay, you understand? If you want to go on a YouTube channel and you don't know your niche, yes, good news for you. Those people that doesn't want to niche down, this video is for you. If you know that you want to try out different ideas, different things, this video is for you. All right, just carefully listen. Let me tell you, in this video I will show you how to make a no niche video that still gets views, builds your audience, and keeps your creativity wide open. You know, the most important thing is to make a video that bring views to your channel, that keep your audience to be watching. Anytime you upload a video, they will come back to watch because your content is interesting. You understand? And the last one is to keep your creativity. You know, you can be able to explore different things. You understand? People can be able to see your personality. You understand? That is what no niche does for people on their channel. Okay, let's get into it. You understand? Guys, the first one that you need to do for me, if you really want to have a no niche channel, you understand, the first step that you will take is have a flexible ideas. You understand? Yes, I will tell you what I mean by you having a flexible ideas. Okay, starting with an idea that works in any category. You understand? You must think and have any idea that works in every category, not in particular places. You don't want your channel to have a niche. All right, here an example that works across all board. You understand? Number one, letting AI control my day. This is the ideas I'm giving you now. You can say, okay, today I want AI to control my day, in the sense that maybe you come up with, maybe you want AI to give you what kind of food to make today, your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. You understand? AI will control your day, tell you what to do today. Your own is just to bring it to your channel and show people how you carry out the assignments. You understand? You know, people want to know how AI will control your day. This is an idea that I'm giving you. The second one is, I tried weight things for 24 hours. You can decide to try the weight things, you know, weight things that people don't do, you know, some things that are weighed. You understand? You can decide to try it. You know, some people may like to watch that kind of content. You understand? To know how far that you went. You understand? And the result. So the third one is doing anything backwards. You don't do something normal, you can do something backward today. You know, different type of things that people are not doing. This is what will give you that views. You understand? And it will keep people glued to your channel. You understand? And it will keep people coming back again to watch another content that you uploaded, what you have for us for today. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. For those of you that doesn't want to niche down, this video is for you. on my videos, on my teaching, I like giving you some examples so that you really understand what I meant. You understand? You can say, today I want to let AI control my day. I can show breakfast that AI ask you to take. You can say morning activities that AI ask you to do. You can say random challenge that AI ask you to make. You can say final thought, your thought about the things that AI ask you. You give them your opinion, your thought about it. You understand? This makes the video easy to follow, keeps the pace up. You understand? It will make people wondering as to what is going on. I want to watch. I want to know your, they want to know your opinion, want to know how you overcome this, how you overcome that. You understand? And gives you natural point to cut and keep attention. It glued people to your channel. Step 3 is, since you want to do a no niche content, so you are the one, you are the content, so be the content. Let me tell you what I meant by that. If you are not focusing on a niche, then the niche is you. If your channel is not focusing on a niche, that means noticing that the niche is you. You understand? Your reaction, your styles, and your personalities matters on this type of content. Okay? Then be honest, be weird. You understand? You be honest, be weird, be loud or awkward. You understand? Deadpan. You understand? This is a no niche. This is a no niche channel. So guys, as I was saying, this feels no one's clicking for the AI. Remember, no one is clicking to see how AI does it. They are clicking for you, the way you handle it. You understand? They are clicking to see how you handle what the AI does. You understand? So it will keep people glued to your channel. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. Then it's like reality TV show. When you're watching reality TV show, the way they do it there, exactly, you can turn it to your channel. You understand? So people stayed for the character. Exactly. Step 4, quick editing matters. You understand? In this type of niche, quick editing matters a lot. Fast cut, caption, zooms, music, things, and memos. With this a no niche channel, you understand, your editing is supposed to be a top notch. You understand? Because it will make people glued to your channel. Your zoom, your cutting, and maybe you can add a little music on your video that will not overshadow your voice. You understand? It matters a lot. You can use memes. Memes, I mean, when they are talking, you can, maybe when you're talking about angry, you can bring out an angry face person. All these laughable emoji and all these things. You can use it. It's very, very important in this type of niche. You understand? So use light editing to amplify your energy. You understand? Your editing is supposed to speak words. That is what they mean. You don't need cinematic quality. Just keep the pacing tight and the vibe consistent. You understand? You don't need a cinematic, maybe when you are in a theater, all those things. No, just keep it as in consistent and vibe with your audience. They will like you. If it gets boring, cut it. You understand? Yeah. Step 5, end with engagement. Don't just end with like and subscribe. Invite interaction on that video. Okay, let me tell you what you do. You understand? Maybe after doing your content, maybe in your conclusion, what you need to do is comment. You can tell them, comment the weirdest challenge you want me to try next. Or you can tell them to vote. Was this a fail or a win? It brings engagement to your post. It brings engagement on your channel. You understand? So you can use this method to bring engagement on your channel. This makes people feel part of the video and give you free ideas for the next video to do. You understand? So this is a no niche content that I'm telling you. Maybe you can decide to try it if you feel like you don't have a niche on your channel, that you try random things. So these ideas now that I'm giving you is some ideas that will work, that will bring viewers, that will retain them. You understand? That will make the viewer to stay, or that will make the viewer to be anticipating when is your next upload, because your videos are very, very interesting. You understand? In conclusion, you don't need a niche to win on YouTube. Yes, you may, I'm against it, but it's for those people that doesn't have a niche. You understand? Because those people, some people felt that to niche down is just out of it. They don't want to niche down. So this video is for you. What you need is 1, a clickable idea. 1, strong segment. 2, your authentic personality. 3, quick editing. 4, a reason for people to engage. So this is what you need on your channel. So make sure, since your content or your channel is a no niche channel, so make sure that your ideas pop. You bring, this one is just creativity. You bring ideas that will make people to watch your video, that will make people to subscribe to your channel. You know, these ones that I make, that just give you an example to it. What you, if you're doing that kind of a thing, what you may want to try on. You understand? So guy, that's how you make a no niche video, okay, that actually works. You understand? If you like making random things that your channel doesn't need a niche, or you don't need to niche down your channel. So this thing now that I stated out is how you can go about it. You understand? That bring ideas that works. You understand? So please, if you want a creative video ideas without bossing yourself in, these ideas that I give you now is the real deal. You can try it out on your channel. You understand? Those that doesn't have a niche, but I keep on saying to niche down is very, very important. Okay, see you in the next one.